Now let's discuss the uppercase and then lowercase letters. Okay, the uppercase and lowercase letters, we use a property called text transform. Okay, this property is used to change the case of text, giving it the following values: uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize. So when you do it uppercase, it causes the text to appear in uppercase or in block letters. Lowercase causes the text to appear in lowercase or in small letters. Also causes the first letter of each word to appear block. This is an example. We are going to do it in our text editor. Now this is my text editor. Let me paste the codes for the text transform. Okay, so that let me arrange my code properly. Okay, so let me save it and then view. Now I changed this H1, which was uppercase, to lowercase, and I also changed this one also, and I capitalized all my paragraph. I capitalized all my paragraph, as seen in the says capitalize all paragraphs. H1 should be lowercase, H3 should also be lowercase. Okay, I can decide to make this uppercase, so let me just make it uppercase and then save again. Now I check. Now H3 has become uppercase. Let me also change this one to uppercase. Text editor, H1 also uppercase. Okay, I save, I refresh my browser, and I see it's back to uppercase. Okay.